Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the unboxing of the Amazfit BIP Max. On our previous video, we covered the design, the specifications, and the UI. On this video, we will focus on the offered features or menus. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features in our Amazfit BIP Max. Okay, so we have here the watch face. So on top we have here the settings and options and notifications. On the bottom part we have a widgets. On our left side we have the sports functions. And on the right side we have the menus. For the physical buttons here, if you press this one, it is for sports. While this one, it is for the menus. So what are the available menus in our BIP Max? We have here the BioCharge. So it reveals if you've recovered from recent activities. Okay, nice. I'm excited to check this one. So we have here the workout history. We have here the workout status. You also have here the training calendar, the map. Okay, offline map. So we have to download the offline map here. We have a Zepp Coach. Remember, for the offline map, we have 2 GB of storage space. So we also have here Zepp Coach weather report. We also have here heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. We have daily activity record. We have a PI. So this one, let's see, one tap measuring for what? Okay, so heart rate. I guess this one is for the stress and the blood oxygen. Okay, so one tap measuring for heart rate, blood oxygen, and the stress. We also have here the sleep monitoring function. We have a Bluetooth phone call. We have contacts here, recent and dial. And I guess we also have here a quick reply support for the Bluetooth phone call. So we have here a membership card, BIP. We have a Bluetooth music control function, audio control, and alarm. We have here a calendar. We have a cycle tracking for women. We have a stopwatch, a timer, find my phone, to-do list. We also have here a Pomodoro timer, voice memos, a heart rate push, a built-in compass, HRV, world clock, meditation. We also have here the jet lag manager, breathing guide, Zepp Flow, podcast, and internal ICU. So we do have a lot of features here, apps for our smartwatch. For our settings, you have here watch face and time, includes time format, date format, We also have here GPS time calibration, a Bluetooth connectivity, display, always on display features, brightness. We have sound and vibration, workout. We also have here workout detection. How many do we have? Okay, so we don't have the details here. Okay, we have it here, walking, indoor walking, outdoor running. So we do have several sports detection here. Okay, we have night safety light, always on display, workout, and a GPS. Okay, notification option, Zepp Coach, and other options here. Voice assistant, battery manager, map, accessibility. Okay, you can adjust the text size here. And of course, the system here includes shutdown and factory reset and start. So for sports, here are the list of sports. I guess you can also download additional application for your wearable with its support app. So we have here the app, and we have an app store here. So we do have some games and workout applications. We also have here health and fitness. It also includes utilities and workout extensions, lifestyle, productivity. We have to-do list here. We also have some games. Find more. So it is fully loaded with applications, downloadable applications for our smartwatch. Okay, it's not just limited here in the wearable. You can also use the Zepp applications to download additional apps for your Amazfit BIP Max. Okay, so that's it for our review of the offered menus and features for the Amazfit BIP Max. If you have any questions regarding the video review, drop a comment below, and of course, we'll check on the Bluetooth call, the push notification, and other features of the BIP Max in the next few days. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.